Hey y'all, welcome back to today's yoga session to help you move gracefully, release any built up tension, and reconnect with your natural rhythm. My name is Leah, or you guys can call me Baby Scorpio, and I'll be guiding you through this soft and grounding flow. Let's begin. Namaste. We're going to come to a comfortable seating position with our legs crossed, resting our hands on our knees, and softening our shoulders. We're going to close our eyes and inhale deeply through our nose, and exhale through our mouth. As you deep breathe, I want you to imagine your body moving like water, graceful and fluid. We're going to transition into a tabletop position with our hands under our shoulders and our knees under our hips. We're going to inhale, arching our spine and opening our chest into cow pose. And exhaling, rounding our back and tucking in our chin to our chest into cat pose. I want you to synchronize your breath and your movement, adding gentle hip circles or body sways with each breath. Remember that you're exactly where you need to be. We're going to transition back into our tabletop position, walk our hands forward, lowering our chest and forehead or our chin down to the mat. I want you to inhale, lifting back into that tabletop position, and exhaling, melting forward again into melting heart pose. I want you to flow between melting heart pose, tabletop, and child's pose like waves moving in and out. As you continue with this flow, feel your heart opening with beauty and grace. We're going to transition into low lunge, so step your right foot forward between your hands. Inhale as you sweep your arms up, and exhale as you circle them out and down slowly. I want you to continue to deep breathe as you flow with your breath for 3 rounds. And we're going to switch to our left side. Remember to deep breathe as you flow with your breath. We're going to transition by stepping into the middle of the mat with our feet wide, toes out, and heels in. I want you to bend your knees into goddess pose as you place your hands at your heart center, extending your arms out and swaying gently side to side. Remember to keep your movements slow and graceful as I say this affirmation. I subconsciously allow myself to align with my highest good. Good things are happening in my life as we speak, and I speak positively over my mind, body, and soul. And if you need that extra balance, place your hands back at your heart center. We're going to transition into Warrior Two pose, so place your right foot out, your left foot in, and place your arms in a T. We're going to inhale, lifting our right hand overhead into Reverse Warrior, and we're going to exhale, placing our forearm to our thigh in Side Angle. And we're going to flow between these two poses as we deep breathe. And we're going to switch sides as I say this affirmation. I release what is not mine to carry, and I move with purpose and positive intention. We're going to transition into standing side stretch sways, so stand tall with your feet hip width apart. We're going to inhale with our arms overhead, and we're going to exhale as we lean softly to the right. We're going to inhale back to the center, and exhale and lean to the left. Remember to keep your knees soft and your shoulders relaxed as you synchronize your breath and your movement. I want you to transition with your legs extended in front of you. You're going to inhale, reaching your arms up, and exhale, folding forward over your legs. I want you to continue to deep breathe as you roll your wrists slowly, releasing any tension. We're going to transition back into our comfortable seating position. I want you to place one hand on your heart and the other on your belly as we take one deep breath in and slowly breathe out. At this time, I want you to thank yourself for showing up to this yoga session. You are worthy of investing in your mind, body, and soul. If this flow helped you reconnect with yourself, give it a thumbs up and share it with somebody who might need a pause in their day. Subscribe for more mindful flows every Monday, and I will see you guys in the next one. Namaste.